saw this tutorial online and it's really cool, but I thought there's a poor man's way of doing it, or the fast way, which is not that sexy. But what you do is you use a smudge tool and then you set it to darken, and then you simply go like this, and there you go. Now you got color plate. Maybe you want to set it to 100%. Thing is, let's see. Yeah, you do got. I mean, once you got some difference here, then that's gonna count. So if you use the smudge tool on that, you see how that turns out. So you might want to just use the bucket tool here and just fill it ever so slightly to get rid of that distortion. Pick that up and fill. Okay, so now if I do it, if I use the smudge tool with darken mode, that's better. Yeah. So, but black really, I don't know, black doesn't look all that sexy. So what I'm thinking is that I can just remove the black stuff here, and I can move that over to another layer. Of course, that means that I need. Oh, I have a back. Okay, just make sure it's not transparent in these places. But then you can. Well, okay, let's just clone it, and so now I can do this. Sorry, bit slow computer. But this one could be set to. If I do this now, you'll see that it doesn't work very well, does it? Because I got that cut out from another layer. So I'll have to switch to layer 1 and set it to multiply, for example. And now you can see it's more like it. So this is, this is just a poor man's way of going about it. It's not all that sexy, but it's kind of cool also, I guess. And you do get kind of more control, I guess. Maybe you could also say put it to lighten, and it would make some kind of like funky effects in regards to that. But yeah, you should be a bit careful about doing that too much. Yeah, so that's cool as well. And of course, then you can take this one and you can smudge that out also. Maybe you want to use maybe just a normal and strength, a lower strength, so you can kind of go like this. Maybe, who knows? And yeah, so the strength is a bit weak. Okay. I mean, there are so many. I mean, there are multiple ways of going about this. So. Just wanted to show you that there's another way as well, which is crude but kind of works. And of course you can use, this is PhotoShop CS2 or 3, yeah, 3, so works for all the older versions also. Yeah, so all of these artistic brushes can be of good use also. Dry brush is probably the one that gives the best result in this case. Has quite of a artistic feeling to it.